Okay, Benson, what were you thinking?
I was thinking the helpers, since like at my house we do like helpers for like we don't do helpers, but we did like me and my brother we did like so one person like picks out one and then open it up and then with toy that or then we can do drawing out a hat out of where they if they draw like where they're gonna sleep, because sometimes there might be too much people.
So we talked about how drawing out of a hat really wouldn't be like fair. So Victor, what do you think?
Well, maybe people could just bring them just in case they don't or they do.
Well, we have to decide. Dr. Palmer says we have to decide. So how many friends think Aria and Ellie's idea is great to have a voting box? Okay. So what do you think we should use for, like, to vote? What do you think, Ellie? Or Emma?
Maybe like we should have like both sides and so the whole people think if the people think that they don't want it to wear the costume, they can go on that side, and the people who want to wear the costume, they can stay on that side, and whoever has the most people can whoever has the most then the whole second grade gets to wear them. Or maybe if the people that most people have the one with a lot of people when with no costumes and they don't want to wear a costume, that probably would win, or maybe the costume people would win.
Okay, Aria?
A tissue box?
A tissue box? So Aria, what's the point of putting them in a box, do you think?
Well, what you do is you take a pencil and then you write on a little small piece of paper and then you stick it in the box so nobody can see your answer.
Mm-hmm.
And then somebody goes through them and see who wins.
So, do you think that everybody would be more comfortable with not everybody knowing their answer?
No. Yeah.
How come? How come? Why don't you want anybody to know your answer?
Because then if we have less people that want to take their costume, we don't want the other people to know so they can win or not.
Yeah.
It's kind of not fair the way. And then they can cheer and say, "We won," and they all brag.
Oh, okay. All right. So what should we use? We should use a tissue box. I think we have one to recycle. Can you grab it? All right. We got the recycle. We got the box. What now? What do we use to put in the box? What should we write on? John?
Small piece of paper.
Okay. Like what?
The paper. Oh.
Emerson?
Sometimes for recess, maybe.
The paper. Okay. Nate?
Sticky notes.
How many friends think a sticky note might be a good choice? Okay. There we go. I think that would be a good idea. Okay. So we're going to get a sticky note, and we have our ballot box, right? Okay.
Can I pass them out?
Uh-huh. Aria, you can pass them out. Now, why don't you get to a hard surface so you can have a pencil?
Add a hard surface. I had a good idea.
What?
That you write your last name if you don't want to do it, and you write your first name if you do want to do it.
Oh, that's a good idea, Austin.